What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing a camera test for the Moto E6. So just to take you around the camera, if you haven't already seen the first impressions video, it's a very simple camera app. So you do have HDR, flash, the timer, and then you also have the autofocus. This does shoot in full HD, so that's really nice. You do have HDR, like I said. You can turn the watermark on, and you can change the photos from JPEG to RAW. When we slide over to these settings, one of the things I like is you can go YouTube live straight from this app, which is really nice. You have time lapse, portrait, and then you have live filter, spot color, panorama. Also, when you go into video, still very simple, nothing too crazy going on here. You tap to focus, you can adjust the brightness, and it's just very simple. You can also turn the flash on. Like I said, it shoots in full 1080p. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at the images. I tried to take images in good lighting indoors and sort of bad lighting.